Wow, everybody slow down. Units around 1080, slow it down, 1441.
Hey,
So,
listen, American, this is, take it. I take this with you, okay?
so now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it? No.
Bir polis memurunun en büyük kabusu en tehlikesiz görünen anlarda başlar. 23 Nisan günü süresi geçmiş bir araç muayenesi nedeniyle yapılan bu basit çevirme kimsenin tahmin edemeyeceği bir noktaya ulaştı. Aracın içindeki 36 yaşındaki Cemal Voli kaybedecek hiçbir şey kalmamış, psikolojisi paramparça olmuş eski bir gaziydi. Sıradan başlayan bu diyalog, saniyeler sonra telsizden yükselecek o korkunç "memur vuruldu" anonsuyla son bulacaktı. Olay anı kameraları o bitmek bilmeyen dakikaları böyle kaydetti.
Fairfax'te, Parkway, 1436.
That was a heck of a stop, sir.
I have a gun and I'm armed. I'll let you know. So why did you pull me over?
Your inspection sticker expired
They know.
last...
Call Joe Biden or call George Bush.
What's your driver's
No,
license?
there's no. I don't have a driving license.
Why not?
Go back, sit in the fucking car, and leave.
No, sir.
No?
It doesn't work that way.
Okay, so go ahead, do whatever you want to do.
Can I get your name?
No,
No?
no. You're fucking killing me. You fucking people don't get a disability. Fucking, I have kids and I have a lot of fucking bullshit things. So why you fucking treat me this way?
Said 80.
Said 80.
Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
You fucking dumbass fucking people. You fucking assholes.
Majestic.
I can't even go
Northbound
back to my
at
fucking country because of you fucking
Rebar
people.
Shopping
I
Center.
started in fucking army.
Saniyeler ilerledikçe havadaki gerilim artıyordu. Adamın anlamsız sözleri ve aşırı gergin olması polisi şüphelendirdi. Memur telsiz ile destek çağırdı.
Every time you
Sorry,
fucking
your
you come
car,
and
you
fucking
walk
pull me over. Every time.
Do you have the registration to the vehicle?
Nothing.
You got nothing?
Nothing.
All right.
Yeah.
And you don't want to give me your name?
Sir, why? Look. Hey, I died when I was serving you with you liars, with you people, with American standards.
I served as well, sir.
Yeah. So you brought me to you fucking people brought me to this goddamn country, and I'm dying every fucking single day, and I have 4 children, and we wholly survive because you're a fucking racist people.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can't get a job, I can't get a disability, and they took my fucking license because I'm not able to pay the insurance. So why are you fucking trying to kill me?
I'm not trying to
No,
kill you,
you
sir.
are. I'm already died. I don't give a
Said
damn
80.
fuck.
Subject's armed, refusing to give ID. Don't reach for anything,
No,
dude. Don't unbuckle
don't-
that.
I'm telling you, don't reach. I'm telling you, don't reach. I don't
Subject
give a
keeps
damn
reaching.
fuck. I don't give a damn fuck. If you fucking do anything, don't do anything.
Subject keeps reaching for his weapon.
No, I'm not reaching.
Check. Just all you in the field. Tell them your restricted 1439.
Sir, I stopped you for a lawful traffic stop.
I don't give a damn fuck.
Okay.
You liar.
I'm not lying.
No, you
It's
lying.
obviously right
You
there.
are no. Today's
So what
the day,
I'm-
buddy.
what I'm asking
You
for
fucking
is you to
dumbass
identify
liars,
yourself.
white people. You lied for 25 years.
Car 80 Bravo. You drive from that.
You brought me to this country. I served with special forces. I lost my own fucking brother. I lost my everything.
I'm sorry.
I have nothing.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, you're sorry to hear that. No. Don't play that bullshit.
So you don't have a registration to the vehicle?
You know what? Listen, hey, you're American, okay?
Yes.
Yes, you are American. I give you my fucking, what do you call that shit? Take it. They took my driving license.
So
Okay.
they took it away?
Yeah, for no fucking reason. I have a hard time with court. I'll show you the paperwork. You won't
Okay.
believe what you hey. They don't. When I call them bullshit, the system is fucking broke.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, it sounds like you're going through a really rough time.
man. I should have served with fucking Taliban better than you. I was concerned and a fucking dumbass fuck when I was concerned about Taliban, but in America, since 2014, I'm concerned about more about you people. Because
Okay.
you lie, because you play games, that's how I'm going deeper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Destek ekiplerinin siren sesleri uzaktan duyulmaya başlarken şüphelinin zihnindeki ipler çoktan kopmuştu. Sisteme olan öfkesi onu saatli bir bombaya çevirmişti. O artık sadece mağduriyetini anlatan bir vatandaş değil, köşeye sıkışmış ve saldırmaya hazır bir avcıydı.
So these are my partners here. They're coming up. I don't want you to get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reading, sir. Hey,
I
sir,
watched you do it.
I don't give a damn fuck. It brings as many people as you can.
Okay.
Go ahead. You're not listening. What I'm telling
I am
you,
listening to you.
I have 4 children. Do not reach your gun.
Rob, everybody slow down. Units around 1080, slow it down, 1441.
Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it? Fuck.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
Set 80, I'm hit.
Bravo, shots fired. 800 Bravo, shots fired.
Listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? No. Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it? I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to...
No. Hey, don't you reach it? Oh.
Rob, everybody slow down. Units around 1080, slow it down, 1441.
Hey, listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? No. Hey, no. You reach it? No.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, signal 1.
Saniyeler süren bu kanlı kaosun faturası ağır oldu. Vücuduna isabet eden sayısız kurşunla yere yığılan saldırgan, olay yerinde hayatını kaybetti. Çatışmada kurşunların hedefi olan yaralı polis memurları ise hastaneye kaldırılarak tedavi altına alındı. O gün o sokakta geriye sadece barut kokusu ve sarı polis şeritleri kaldı.